sisters.
And what is STEM?
S is for science.
T is for technology.
E is for engineering.
And M is for mathematics.
STEM. And today we are going to be
dissecting a brain.
A sheep's brain.
And we have our trusty guide right here so we know what to do.
And we have our trusty gloves and our trusty goggles.
Yeah. Because this is a kids video and we want to make sure that kids need to learn to wear goggles and gloves when they're cutting open stuff.
And so we are going to be opening a sheep's brain, but first we need to go over like what the brain looks like and like what the little things in the brain
Just what
is.
the brain does. Like what the brain is.
So we have 3 pictures of the brain. This is the top of the brain. Like the top. This is the bottom of the brain.
Wait, Esme.
No, we gotta first say what the pictures are. And then this is what the inside of the brain is. They're not detailed though. And we have these numbers on here because that kind of represents what it is. For example, number 1, which is right here, is the
cerebrum.
Cerebellum.
No, cerebrum.
Is that right? And a fact about the cerebrum is it controls emotion, memory, and thinking. And so right here, number 2 is the
cerebellum.
And a fact about the cerebellum is it controls muscles, so it like makes you move and stuff. Number 3, which is this little thingy right here, is
the spinal cord.
And the spinal cord, it carries messages from the brain. It carries messages from the brain to the body. So like it can tell you what to do. Okay, and then this is the bottom of the brain. So right here, number 4 is which these little things are.
Oh, factory bulb? Olfactory bulb.
And so that makes you smell stuff. And then number 5, which is this little thingy right here, what is that?
It's the optic chiasm.
Chiasm. And that helps you see. That makes you see. So then you can see. And then last, number 6, which is this little like thingy right here, not including the spinal cord. What is that called?
It's called the medulla oblongata.
And the medulla oblongata controls the heart and breathing. So yeah. And then this, when we cut it open, these are just like the things. So right here, there's the
cerebrum.
So right there's the cerebrum. And then right here is the
cerebellum.
No.
The medulla oblongata.
And then right here is the
cerebellum.
Yep. And then right here is the it's number 3.
Oh yeah. Spinal cord.
So that's what it's going to look like on the inside. So now we're going to go and cut open the sheep's brain.
Yeah.
But these goggles hurt, so I'm going to take it off for a second.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. So right here we have our sheep's brain dissection kit.
And we're going to show take this up. My gloves.
Yeah, get it. Okay, I got it. So your hand is
here's our brain.
And then show the back. And over here we have just some tools, like we have some scissors, tweezers,
a scalpel
to like cut open the brain.
And these little things right here are to like put the little pieces like inside the brain on and like a little brain boosh kebab.
Okay, so now let's open the package and get started. There's a lot of juice. Okay. Now let me get out this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. It smells. Oh, I got some brain juice.
And this was made in Mexico.
I need a napkin.
This was made in Mexico, everybody.
My nose is itchy, but I can't touch.
Oh.
Yeah. It smells.
Throw away.
It smells like death. Okay, let's talk about let's cut up the dura mater, which is the outer layer that we have to peel off to see the actual brain. That was just a piece of the brain.
Let's use the tweezers too.
Yeah. Okay, how do you do this? Oh, I can do this part right here. There we go. Are we actually? Oh! Okay. It smells like. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Yeah, Happy Mother's Day. Yeah! Cut down the spine of the brain.
Okay.
Yes!
Don't flip stuff. You don't have to pull all the way off.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the dura mater off. So here is the brain. And we couldn't really get it all off on the other side, so we just had to leave it. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through the parts. So right here we have the, what is it called? Cerebrum, right here. And then we have the spinal cord right here, and then we have the cerebellum right there. Flipping it over, we have the optic chiasm, which makes you see. We have the
My eyes itchy.
medulla oblongata right here. And then also we have what is it? I forgot. Olfactory bulbs right there. That makes you smell. And the spinal cord. Okay, now Penny is going to slice it down now.
Okay, so I am going to be taking the scalpel and I'm going to be cutting the middle of the brain open and seeing what's inside.
Don't cut. Oh my god. It's just like cutting a piece of chicken. Oh my gosh. Show mommy.
Okay, be careful now. Very slow.
Okay.
Good job. Yep.
Now let's see if we can
You
open
need to do a couple
it.
more cuts.
Go all the way down. Yeah.
Okay, can you open it?
That's the back. That's the tap.
Oh, it's bloody, kind
Okay,
of.
move the scalpel.
It's a little bit bloody. What's scalpels?
That's what Penny's holding. The knife. You
Okay.
can set the knife down now.
Oh my god.
There is.
There's the inside.
Okay, what do you
Oh,
see?
foot touched as me.
Oh. Here.
Now, what is that? What are we looking
That's
at?
the
This
spinal
is the
cord.
spinal cord and the cerebellum.
Great.
So that's the thing.
The cerebellum
The cerebellum does
does memory.
the muscles.
The muscle.
And this does, so when you are moving, before you move, like right before your brain sends a signal down the spinal cord to tell you to move.
Great.
And then,
No, take it. Keep it.
sorry,
It's okay.
maybe we should like do that.
You did.
Okay, so here are some things. So the gray matter, which is the darker, grayer parts, that holds the nerves. So like that maybe, and like that. And then the white matter relays sensory information to different parts of the brain and various nerves. So that means it like tells you what to do. Tells you what your nerves to feel.
I kind of want to cut it again.
Can I cut it this time?
Well, I gotta cut a tiny piece, so you can cut the other.
Well, Esme's cutting. Penny, tell me what you think about dissecting a brain.
It was hard. I don't know.
Did you learn something?
I learned that
They smell terrible.
they smell terrible and you should stay away from a brain.
Esme, what did you learn?
I learned about the sheep's brain is very slippery and that it smells terrible and it has a lot of different stuff in it.
Yeah, that's also what I would say.
Okay, guys, so what? Okay, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below if you have dissected anything. So, bye!